Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tempur-Pedic Remote is probably one of the most important accessories for your adjustable bed, ensuring you can easily control its features and enjoy the ultimate comfort. Finding the right replacement can be tricky, so in this video, we will explore various options, compare their features, and help you choose the perfect Tempur-Pedic Remote replacement to restore your bed's functionality and enhance your sleep experience. We'll cover everything from compatibility to ease of use, ensuring you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ergo Extend Replacement Remote. This is the perfect replacement for your old remote. It's designed for easy use and seamless integration with your adjustable bed. Control your bed's position with simple buttons. Enjoy the comfort and convenience it offers. It works perfectly with your existing adjustable bed system. No complicated setup required. It's built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Enjoy worry-free operation. Its intuitive design makes it simple to operate. Anyone can use it with ease. Enhance your sleep quality with this simple upgrade. Find your perfect sleeping position effortlessly. What we like. It is designed for the Ergo and Ergo Extend models. If you need a simple and functional replacement for your existing remote, this is a great option. Its compatibility with multiple models makes it a versatile choice for many users. What people say. Came a silver color instead of black, but that was kind of nice because we can tell the difference between the two sides of the bed now. Works great. Worked good once we got it hooked up. Worked perfectly. Number 4. Leggett and Platt Replacement Remote. This remote is designed to seamlessly replace your old remote. It's compatible with a variety of adjustable beds, making it a convenient and affordable solution. It works with many popular adjustable bed brands, including Tempur-Pedic and Ergo Raven. Enjoy simple setup and easy-to-use controls. If your old remote is broken or lost, this is the perfect replacement. Get back to enjoying all the features of your adjustable bed. It features a clear layout and intuitive buttons for effortless operation. Adjust your bed's position with ease. It's built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind with a durable and dependable remote. This replacement remote offers a cost-effective way to restore your adjustable bed's functionality. It's a smart and practical choice. What we like. This remote is compatible with various adjustable bed brands. If you own a Leggett and Platt or Tempur-Pedic bed and are looking for a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. Its broad compatibility makes it a convenient option for various users. What people say. Easy instructions to connect to your adjustable bed. Works perfectly. The directions included that the seller included were easy to follow and very precise. But it could not have been easier to set up. I had it programmed and working perfectly within just a few minutes. Number 3. Tempur-Pedic Ergo Advanced Remote. Is your old Tempur-Pedic remote giving you trouble? This replacement offers the same great functionality, making adjusting your base effortless. It's designed to work perfectly with your Tempur-Pedic Ergo Advanced base. Enjoy the same comfort and control you're used to. While it's a newer version, it maintains the same user-friendly interface. You'll quickly get back to enjoying a comfortable sleep. Note that it lacks the zero-G and anti-snore features of newer models, but these weren't available on older bases anyway. It's a simple, effective upgrade. Setting it up is a breeze. We've included clear, easy-to-follow instructions to get you started right away. Need a remote for a different Tempur-Pedic model? Check out our other listings for compatible options. What we like. It is specifically designed for the Tempur-Pedic Ergo Advanced RC WM101 model. If you have this specific model and need a replacement, this is the perfect match. Its wireless functionality provides ease of use and convenience. What people say. The product performed as advertised. First time pairing was attempted, it worked perfectly. This is a good replacement unit, pairs easily, and works just as well as the original unit. Very simple to pair with the Ergo base. It was as simple as following 3 steps. Number 2. Tempur-Pedic TESB 3111-220 Replacement. Say goodbye to your old, worn-out base. This is the ideal replacement for a superior sleep experience. It seamlessly integrates with your adjustable bed, providing the same comfort and support you've come to expect. Experience enhanced comfort and support with this new base. It's designed to work perfectly with your existing adjustable bed frame. This replacement is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance. You'll enjoy years of reliable use. Installation is quick and easy. You'll be enjoying a better night's sleep in no time at all. This is the updated 2019 white version, offering a fresh, clean look to complement your bedroom decor. It's the perfect upgrade for your adjustable bed. What we like? This is the new 2019 white version for the Tempur-Pedic TESB 3111-220 model. If you need a replacement for your older model and want the latest version, this is the one to choose. The updated design offers improved functionality and aesthetics. What people say. Controller worked perfect for my Tempur-Pedic bed. The replacement remote came faster than expected and was very easy to install. It worked right off the bat. Installed easy and worked with no problem. Number 1. Ergo Raven Remote. This is the genuine replacement remote for your Tempur-Pedic Raven adjustable base. It's easy to use and will restore full functionality to your bed. This remote is specifically designed for the Tempur-Pedic Raven model. Make sure your old remote's buttons match those shown here before ordering. It's a direct replacement, so setup is quick and easy. Just pair it with your base and you're ready to go. Don't worry. Contact us with your base's SKU number, and we can help you find the right replacement. Please ensure the buttons on your old remote match the ones pictured. Incorrect orders may incur return shipping and restocking fees. Get your Ergo Raven replacement remote and enjoy seamless control of your Tempur-Pedic adjustable base. Order now. What we like? It is the new 2020 black version for the Tempur-Pedic Raven model. If you appreciate a sleek, modern design and want a genuine OEM replacement, this is the perfect choice. Its stylish appearance enhances the overall look of your bedroom. What people say. This product with the help of the seller was easy to program and works exactly like the original remote. The company upgraded the shipping to priority free, so the shipping was super fast. The order was 100% accurately filled and is an exact fit for my existing setup. Specific directions were included for several types of frames and a link on how to set up was included as well, which I did not need because it was so easy. The programming actually took 4 seconds. The replacement black remote arrived very quickly. Once I reread step 3 of reprogramming instructions, the new remote paired easily. Every button on the new black remote does just what it should, every time. The buttons are backlit, but you have to push any button to get them all lit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.